Cracking the code. Master English with prefixes, suffixes, and base words. Hello, word explorers. Today we're delving deep into the magical world of the English language. Have you ever wondered how English words are formed and how you can understand them better? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going to learn about breaking down words into parts, an essential strategy for identifying base words. This knowledge will give you a great advantage when learning advanced vocabulary. To start, we need to understand that most words in English consist of different parts, a base word, and often one or more prefixes and/or suffixes. The base word is the main part of the word, carrying the core meaning. The prefixes and suffixes, which are attached at the beginning or the end of the base word, modify this core meaning in various ways. For instance, take the word unhappiness. Here, happy is the base word, un is a prefix meaning not, and ness is a suffix that turns an adjective into a noun. So, unhappiness means the state of not being happy. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, breaking down words into parts. This skill can be a game changer in understanding unfamiliar words and enhancing your vocabulary. Here's a step-by-step strategy. 1. Identify any prefixes. Prefixes are attached to the beginning of a base word. Some common English prefixes are un, dis, re, pre, anti, etc. 2. Identify any suffixes. Suffixes are added at the end of a base word. Common English suffixes include ing, ed, li, ness, able, etc. 3. Find the base word. Once you've identified and removed any prefixes and suffixes, what's left should be the base word. Let's use this strategy with the word misinterpretation. First, we recognize mis as a prefix meaning wrongly. Then we identify ation as a suffix that turns a verb into a noun. What's left is interpret, which is the base word. So, misinterpretation means the act of interpreting wrongly. The best way to get comfortable with this strategy is to practice. Whenever you encounter a new and complex word, try breaking it down into its parts. What prefixes and suffixes can you identify? What base word remains? With enough practice, this will become a natural, automatic process, significantly aiding your understanding of advanced English vocabulary. That's it for today, language enthusiasts. Remember, breaking down words into parts is a powerful tool in your journey towards mastering English. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll see your vocabulary expanding before you know it. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of words.